A Pakistan Navy warship had crossed the maritime boundary line off the coast of Gujarat and had entered Indian waters, but it was detected and forced to retreat by an Indian Coast Guard's Dornier maritime surveillance aircraft. The Dornier aircraft issued warnings to the Pakistani warship about its location and asked the ship to return to its area, but the Pakistani captain chose to maintain complete silence and did not respond, and fled the area after realizing that more assets from the Indian side might be on their way to the area. The captive flight trial of the Israeli Derby extended range air-to-air missile from a Su-30 fighter jet of the Indian Air Force is near completion. The user trials of both the 140 km range Derby extended range missile and the 160 km range Astra Mark II will be carried out this year, and both long-range missiles will further boost the air-to-air capability of the Su-30. The Indian Navy is holding discussions with the German shipbuilder ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems, and it might be making a comeback in the Project 75I, as India will withdraw some of the liabilities clauses from the tender that could have made the foreign company responsible for the job done by its Indian strategic partner. ThyssenKrupp Marine Systems is likely to offer the Type-212CD design that has a surface displacement of 2,500 tons, but it is not clear if the Navy will be ready to compromise on its actual displacement, as the Navy requirement mentions the submarine displacement to be 3,000 tons. The Indian Air Force will soon acquire 6 advanced and upgraded version of the Tu-160 Blackjack called the White Swan, that has a maximum speed of 2,200 km per hour, an unrefueled range of 12,300 km, a combat radius of 7,300 km, and can carry 45,000 kg of ordnance in 2 internal weapon bays. The modernized variant also features low observable coatings, new avionics and new powerful efficient engines. India will arm the Tu-160 with the DRDO-developed hypersonic glide vehicle for nuclear delivery that will allow targeting of the most distant Chinese targets such as Beijing. India will lease the Tu-160 variant that runs on enhanced aviation fuel, and the Indian Air Force is likely to base the Tu-160 at an air base in southern central India, as it will be the safest and best option to base the long-range strategic aircraft. A U.S. Navy warship Charles Drew has docked at Larsen & Toubro shipyard in Chennai for mid-voyage repairs that is expected to take around 11 days, and more U.S. Navy warships will undergo repair work at Indian shipyards in coming days. Given the size of the 41,000-ton Charles Drew replenishment vessel, L&T Shipyard was awarded the contract. Hindustan Aeronautics has set a target of conducting the maiden test flying of the RUAV 200 drone by the middle of 2023 and plans to produce 60 units in the first phase of the project that will be used for high-altitude logistics operations by the Indian Army. HAL is also looking at the possibility of producing an armed variant of the Heron TP drones in collaboration with the Israel Aerospace Industries under an ambitious project that will be capable of operating for 45 hours at an altitude of up to 35,000 feet. After Sri Lanka requested China to defer the planned docking of the Chinese ship at its Hambantota port, the Chinese embassy has sought an urgent meeting with senior Sri Lankan authorities to discuss the issue. The previous Sri Lankan president had approved the docking of the Chinese ship on 12 July, just hours before he fled the country for Maldives. The Chinese spy ship has the capability to track satellites and intercontinental ballistic missile launches.
Omar dropped it.